Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to recover a deleted Word document on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365 as well as a Word document. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Search for this. Enter to open up the web browser. Now let's go to office.com and make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications and now click on Explore all your applications. Let's now navigate to OneDrive. And then go to Admin, go to My Files. Let's now go to the 2024 folder that was created in the previous tutorials. Click on this. Now let's minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Finder. Now let's select a Word document that was created by ourselves. On screen, trial document, highlight, copy. Go to the desktop, right click, paste item, and there we go. So we can now quit Finder. Now let's go down to the dock. Go back to Google Chrome. Let's now go to Add New, Files, Upload. Click on this. That will take us directly to the desktop where we have trial document. Click on this. Open. Wait for that to upload. Once that is uploaded, we then receive the message on screen uploaded to 2024. So now if I were to click on this, this will open up in SharePoint as part of an online Word document. If I were to now, let's say, right click on this, we can then delete. We then receive a message on screen that says, are you sure you want to send this item to the recycle bin? Yes, we are. Click on delete. And now let's just say by error, the document was deleted and we want to recover. How do we do that? That's a very good question. Let's go to recycle bin. And then we see that document, trial document that was deleted in error by the user. And we want to recover this. Click on that document. Now let's go to restore. As you can see, one item is being restored. We can go back to My Files. Go back to 2024 and there we have it. That deleted Word document has been fully restored on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 on a Mac computer. And there we go. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.